hope everyone's well. I say this in all of my videos and you're probably getting bored of it, but I don't know what else to say. I honestly just do care, and I do hope all of you guys are well. So today I filmed this red eyeshadow look, which was inspired by Kylie Jenner's, like I saw a Kylie Jenner picture with her like dark red liquid lipsticks, and then I just remembered that I have some of her liquid lipsticks and 2 of them are like red tones, so I thought I will create a makeup look using them. So this is what it is. This is what we created. So hope you guys tune in, watch the video, and I hope you like it.
So here's me again saying hi to you guys very excitingly twice. Yes, I realized that. So all my base here is done, like the bronzer, blusher, highlights done, and my eyes I've used concealer and set it with the same powder I use for the rest of my face, which is the Makeup Revolution Banana Setting Powder. Today I'm going to be using my Ingot shadows, and to apply these eyeshadows I'm going to use the Morphe M441 brush. The first colour we're going to be tapping into is the shade 296, and I'm going to apply this all over my crease and my eyelid, but mostly concentrating on the crease. As you guys can see here, I'm taking my time with blending in the eyeshadow so I get a very smooth transition. So it's darker on the outer corner of my crease, and as it gets to the inner corner it's getting lighter. I hope this makes sense and it's more understandable by watching the video, because my explanation actually sucks. Once I'm satisfied with one of the eyes, I'm going to move on to my next eye, which is the right side. Yeah, I think so. I'm going to do the same thing I did with my left eye on my right eye as well, obviously. If not, I'm probably going to be doing a very unique, different eye look if I was going to do 2 different things. But that's not for today, so I'm not going to bore you guys, and I'm going to either fast forward or skip through this part. And here my little brother came to distract me, and I had to pick up this phone call. He's just there watching me, like he loves watching me do my makeup, and he's so supportive about my makeup channel. Like, you guys have no idea. He's only 9 years old, but he's incredibly supportive and he wants to me do really well on here. I don't know what he's doing. Just watching this over again while I'm editing, it's just funny and cute for me. I'm not cutting all of these spots out because he'll just be happy to watch this. I can't wait to see his reaction when he finds out that he's actually on it, like I didn't edit it out. He probably is going to think I'm going to edit it out, but yeah. Moving on back to the makeup, I've used the shade 301 on the outer corners of my crease to darken the colour, and once I'm 100% happy with how it looks on both the eyes, I'm going to move on to the next step. Once I'm happy with how that looks, I'm going to move into the next step, which is using Kylie Cosmetics liquid lipstick in Bougie all over my eyelid up to my crease. As you guys can see here, as soon as I apply the liquid lipstick, the vibrancy of the burgundy shade increases so much. Just the eyeshadow itself is such a muted burgundy, but the liquid lipstick does such a big difference and it looks so much better. Once I'm happy with how that looks, I'm going to move into the next step. Now I'm taking the Kylie liquid lipstick in 22 and I'm going to apply this to the middle of my eyes. Same as how you would do a halo eye, but as this is a muted red on top of this burgundy shade, you weren't really able to see it. Big difference, but it just increases the vibrancy of the eyeshadow look overall. I hope you guys can see the difference. Like, it's a small difference, but I think it's worth the time and effort. For the shadow under my eyes, once again I'm going to use the Ingot eyeshadow in 296 with my Ingot Tool smudge brush. I'm finally happy with how my eyeshadows look. They're vibrant and beautiful. So I'm going to move on to the next step, which is highlighting my inner corners and my brow bones. Next, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Black Kohl eyeliner to tightline both my upper and lower waterline. Whenever I line my upper waterline, whoever's watching me, whether that's friends or family, they always ask me like, aren't you scared? How do you do that? Like, at the beginning, it used to hurt, like, because you were scared, and I don't know, it's weird. But as you practice, the more you do it, you just get used to it. It's pretty much the same as your lower waterline. There's no difference. It's just practice. So while editing, I decided to leave out the bits of me lip syncing while I explain which stage I am at right now. So I've applied mascara and I've put Gel Lash Glue in the shade Black on my favorite Amazon lashes right now. All the product information will be listed in the description below anyways, so yeah. Guys, I'm so silly. Only while editing that I realized that you can't even see me applying my lip products, but I'll tell you what I'm using anyways. I'm using the Kylie lip liner in Bougie. I'm not going to use the liquid lipstick because I just like how the lip liner itself feels and looks.
So now I've finished with all of my makeup. I've done my lashes. I set my face with the Badescu Rosewater spray. So this is the makeup look done, and I really like how it turned out. I've never done a look this vibrant before, like a red that's this vibrant before, and I think I want to do this again for like maybe the fall time or like even Christmas. but for Christmas I would like add more glitter. So you could do so much with this look itself. Like you could add different colored glitters, meaning like you could add red glitter or like a gold, or even like just a sparkly like pigment like right in the middle. There's so much you could do with this, but I decided to just stay with it all matte and just add like a really super shiny inner corner highlight. So this is what it is. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and that it helped you. If you do create this look, do tag me on my Instagram. I'll leave it in the description below. If you did like it, press the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care, guys.